Mantras might sound like something only used in spiritual or meditation circles, but there's actually solid research showing that repeating mantras can lower stress levels and improve your focus. It's the way sound vibrations help calm your nervous system and bring your attention into the present moment. So in this video, I'll introduce you to a very simple mantra you can try today, whether you're new to Kundalini Yoga or just looking for an easy way to reduce stress and sharpen your mind. The mantra that I want to highlight is Satnam Waheguru. Sound is energy. Every time we speak, sing, or even chant, we create vibrations, waves that move through the air, through our bodies and deep into our cells. Neuroscientists have found that repetitive sound like a mantra can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body that slows your heart rate, lowers cortisol, and helps you to relax. These vibrations also shift your brain waves into slower patterns like alpha or theta, which are linked to creativity, intuition, and deep calm. In Kundalini Yoga, mantras are more than words. They're precise technology. The roof of your mouth contains 84 meridian points, tiny energetic switches that connect to different areas of your brain and your nervous system. When you chant, your tongue naturally strikes these points in unique patterns, depending on the sounds that you make. In Satnam Waheguru, the sequence of consonants S, T, N, M, W, H, G, R create a precise pulse. Each one places your tongue in a specific position, tapping certain meridian points, almost like playing keys on a piano or on your computer keyboard. This rhythmic tapping sends subtle electrical signals to your pituitary gland, the command post of your glandular system, helping balance hormones, stabilize mood, and fine-tune stress response. At the same time, these impulses reach your pineal gland, often called the inner sun of the brain. This tiny gland is linked to regulating circadian rhythms, enhancing intuition, and releasing natural feel-good chemicals like serotonin and melatonin. So when you chant, you're activating a biological and energetic feedback loop that helps restore harmony in your body. Sat Nam means truth is my identity. It's a reminder to live authentically, aligned with your deepest self. Waheguru is an expression of awe, wow, divine wisdom, a feeling of spiritual wonder. Together, they create a mantra sound code that uplifts your spirit, aligns your mind, and tunes your inner frequency to a state of joy and clarity. So here's how to try it. Just sit comfortably with a straight spine. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. And on the inhale, you can either silently or softly say Satnam, Satnam. And then on the exhale, chant Waheguru out loud, letting the sound vibrate in your chest and in your mouth. Waheguru. Satnam Waheguru. Feel your tongue tapping the roof of your mouth as you pronounce each syllable. This is where the meridian magic happens. Repeat for 3 minutes and notice how you feel. Lighter, clearer, more centered. Satnam Waheguru. Satnam Waheguru. Satnam Waheguru. Sound can heal, and it is supported by neuroscience, biology, and thousands of years of yogic wisdom. Try Satnam Waheguru every day for a week and see how your mood, your focus, and your inner calm shifts. If you enjoyed this practice, subscribe and join me for more Kundalini-inspired tools for peace, clarity, and radiant living.